What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be upgrading my office space. So I already put that poster up with my logo, and then I got these shelves that I bought actually from my friend who has his own business. It is miniature fire escape shelves that are also LED lights. So I'm gonna put my drones on it. It's gonna be a really cool backdrop for my drone videos that I have to make for work. Go like that. First one down. Got all the ladders up. Now we just gotta plug it in. We installed the shelves. Now it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna plug them in. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the fire escape shelves. They look awesome. I love them. And then they got this remote that comes with it, so I can change the color. Let's see, we got red and we got green. See, this thing is really cool. So yeah, my buddy actually sells these shelves on Amazon. He's an entrepreneur as well. So it was cool. I got to buy these shelves off of him on Amazon. It's called Level 4 Ascension. I'll put the link to the shelves in my bio, but this is gonna look great for my videos that I have to make for work, training videos. I'm gonna put some drone stuff on these shelves in a second. So let me do that, and then I'll see you all in the next video. Boom, would you look at that? Let's get a closer look here. On another note, it's just super nice to have your own office space if you want to have a drone business. Like, I can charge all my drones here. I can film without worrying about noise. I can shut the door. It's just so nice compared to my old office space, which is just a table in another room. So that's just something I wanted to add. Thanks. Trying to figure out the best way to film in this room. It's probably gonna be like that. So yeah, blah 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 blah. Talk talk talk. I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, if I do it like this, I think it'll be pretty sweet. Sick. Got my set for training videos.